Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Vercel deployments to support design preview environments. Complete guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your Vercel account. Navigate to the project dashboard for the application you want to update. Click on the Settings tab located in the menu. Scroll down to the Git section. You will see options for linking your Git provider. Ensure your repository is connected. Next, locate the Preview Deployments settings. Enable Preview Deployments if it is not already enabled. This allows Vercel to generate unique deployments for every pull request. Now, access your project's Environment Variables section. Here, you can define variables specific to your preview environments. Click on Add to create a new environment variable. For each variable, specify the name and the value needed for your design preview. After adding all necessary variables, ensure to save your changes. Next, return to the main project dashboard. Select the Deployments tab to review current deployments. Make sure you understand how each deployment is triggered. Now, focus on your design preview branch. Set up the branch in your Git repository that will handle design previews. Update your Git branching strategy if needed. Remember to push changes to your design preview branch. Once pushed, navigate back to the Vercel dashboard. You should see a deployment initiated for your design preview branch. Click on the deployment to check its status. Verify that it includes the correct environment variables from earlier. Now, test the deployment for any issues. If everything works as expected, you have successfully updated your Vercel deployments. For further customization, explore the advanced settings in your Vercel project. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.